Lesson 4, Using a Matrix, Using a Chart. Part 1, Create a View. Open SQL Server Management Studio and create VTrans Analytics 2011 view. Part 2, Creating a New Report Project. On the File menu, point to New, and then click Project. Click the Report Server Project wizard. Create the data source. Build the query. Choose the report type, click Matrix and click Next. Click Car, and then click Page to place the field in the Page section. Click Sales Month, and then click Rows to place the field in the Rows section. Click Surname, and then click Columns to place the field in the Columns section. Click Value, and then click Details to place the field in the Details section. Click Next. Choose the table style. Type the URL and click Next. Type the report name and click Finish. Click Preview tab. Part 3, Adding a chart. In the toolbox window, click Chart, and then click to the leftmost part of the body just under the report title and above the matrix to place a chart in the report body. Select Chart Type and click OK. In the Datasets window, click the surname field and drag it to the area located below the chart labeled Drop Category Fields here. Drag the value field from the Datasets window to the area located above the chart labeled Drop Data Fields here. Delete the chart title. Change the axis title. Expand the chart. Part 4, Grouping Data by Series. Drag the Sales Month field from the Datasets window to the area located right the chart labeled Drop Series Fields here. Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.